Jamaica's Yohan Blake, 10.11 seconds, wins men's 100 meters in Hengelo, Netherlands. Jamaica's second fastest male sprinter of all time, Yohan Blake, is proving that he can still win races with impressive times on the world stage, even at the age of 32. Blake ran a very impressive 10.11 seconds to win the men's 100-meter dash at the World Athletics Continental Tour Gold Meeting in Hengelo, Netherlands today. Also in the lineup was fellow Jamaican Tyquendo Tracey, Kyrie King of the USA, Jeremiah Azu, and Tommy Ramdan of Great Britain, and Chirand Martina of the Netherlands, among others. As the starters gun fired, Blake in lane 4 got off to a good start, quickly establishing a slim lead and maintaining that as he got into his drive phase, powering right through the finish line to take the win in 10.11 seconds. Second place went to the USA's Kyrie King in 10.23 seconds, while third place was owned by Emile Erasmus of South Africa in 10.25 seconds. The other Jamaican in the race, Tracey, was sixth with a time of 10.41 seconds. A great win for this amazing Jamaican athlete, who it appears has regained some semblance of the form of his earlier glory days, as he puts in the hard work necessary to prepare himself for the upcoming Jamaica National Trials later this month, where he will set his aim on making the team to the World Athletics Championships 22 in Eugene, Oregon in July. What do you think of this performance by Yohan today? Do you think he has a chance of making it onto that team to the World Championships? And an even bigger question, if he does make the team, do you think that he can win a medal at the World Championships at the age of 32?